Now that you've decided to move forward with a ketogenic diet, it's time to think about what and how you'll be feeding yourself in the weeks to follow. So much of what you'll be eating is food you prepare at home, and one of the best ways to make sure you always have keto-appropriate meals on hand is to plan your meals out ahead of time and get into the habit of batch cooking. Not only will these habits save you time, but they'll save you money too. First, plan out your meals for the coming days. It's best to set aside some time to do this before heading to the store. While there will be some staples you'll rarely go without, like heavy cream, eggs, bacon, broccoli, and spinach, knowing exactly what you'll be cooking will help you stay on track once you're at the supermarket. Some keto groceries, like almond flour and liquid stevia, are cheapest when ordered online, so planning ahead will give those items time to ship to your house. When you're not feeling rushed, sit down with your phone, tablet, or laptop and sort through a database of keto recipes. Think about what sounds good, looking for a good mix of variety and compatibility. That is to say, while no one wants to eat the same thing every day, when you're looking at a whole week, choose a few recipes that rely on some of the same ingredients. This will allow you to buy in bulk and use your prep time efficiently. Why break down only half a head of cauliflower if you'll be using the second half in just another day or two? Knowing what's ahead in your meal plan provides a sense of security. There are a lot of unknowns when you're starting a new diet, and being able to reference your upcoming meals can make the transition much easier. It also helps prevent those evenings of not knowing what to eat, which can lead to impulsive food choices that break the keto diet and can hinder your progress. Batch cooking takes the efficiency of meal prep and puts it into practice. Frying a whole pound of ground beef on Monday gives you excellent fatty protein to work with for days to come. Transforming a zucchini into zoodles can take some time and elbow grease, but while you have your spiralizer out, why not break down a few extra for later in the week? The same goes for nearly any staple of the keto diet you can think of: cauliflower rice, hard-boiled eggs, washed greens, roasted vegetables, and so much more. You can also take batch cooking to the next level by doubling recipes and saving the leftovers for lunch or dinner for the following day or two. We recommend investing in good quality, resealable food containers, preferably clear glass with a leak-proof lid. Keep a roll of masking tape and a permanent marker near the fridge to label all of your prepped ingredients and leftovers. This way, nothing will get lost in the back of the fridge, and you'll always be able to keep track of how many ready-to-reheat meals you've got on deck. Some keto recipes, especially those that feature tender greens or fried foods, are best served right after cooking. But plenty of dishes, especially soups, chili, casseroles, and bakes, can hold up for days, sometimes even developing more complex flavors in the process. For a weekend breakfast, whip up a batch of keto sausage and gravy biscuit bake, and you've got the first meal of the day all taken care of for the next few days. Roasted red pepper soup or roasted mushroom and walnut cauliflower grits are easy to take and reheat at the office on workdays. For dinner, keto tuna casserole or stuffed meatloaf are super easy to batch cook and make life much easier on those evenings when you're too tired to cook something from scratch. And don't forget about snacks. A big batch of pimento cheese dip, deviled eggs, or low-carb chia seed crackers provide a midday nosh without messing up your macros. As you can see, by thinking and planning ahead, both with meal planning and batch cooking, sticking to your keto diet is a whole lot simpler. Until your kitchen and fridge have been given a complete keto makeover, spontaneity is not your friend at mealtime. Schedule your meals for the week, make extra food for easy leftover-based meals, and have plenty of prep staples stocked in the fridge. 1 week at a time, you'll get into the groove and never be without delicious keto meals to enjoy. Thanks so much for watching. Explore RuledMe for all the cooking resources you need to make your keto journey more delicious and less time-consuming.